Okay, so I'm 18 days post-op. I tried to go to sleep and the nighttime aches in my knee are so annoying. I had to get up and I'm on the bike to see if maybe lubricating my joint or something provides me with some relief, but the ache that I feel, it's just like I can't explain it. It's like a throbbing, pulling, churning, just deep ache. I tried ice and the ice makes it worse. Tried a heat pack and heat last night helped, but it's not helping me tonight. So on the bike in my 90s trying to see if this will give me some relief. But my discomfort right now is probably, I would say, level 6, 7, but it's not like a stabbing pain, it's an aching pain. And I just notice it when I'm still. I know that this is very common amongst us knee replacement folks, but I am over it. It's so annoying. I can't sleep for more than 2 hours at a time or something because then I just feel it. I will say that my flexion is good. So that's positive. Now, if I could just get this nighttime aches under control, I will be happy. I just want to get some sleep. I'm gonna ride this for about 10 or 15 minutes and then try to go to sleep and see if this helps. I'll let y'all know if it works.